Hello sweeties, it's Sugar here. Welcome to or back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing Luvme hair. They always send the hair over so nicely packaged. I absolutely love it. So these are the goodies you get. I got an instant lace tape and the glueless band that is removable, but we'll get back to that in a second. So you also get this nice little dust bag for easier storage, and they give you 2 HD wig caps. So moving on to the hair, as you can see, this wig is pre-styled. This is their all-day curl hold for a better bounce, crafted to retain 80 to 90% of natural cuticles, ensuring bouncy curls that last 8 to 12 hours. It has a 7x6 closure. This wig has a secure hold system, elastic stretchy cap, one removable comb, bra clip to adjust different head sizes. This wig is very secure and ready to go. And like I said, the comb is removable, so if you want to go completely no combs at all, you can remove that. And these are the spots where you would put the glueless band. So let's get into the closure. This closure is a very nice HD. It's very thin lace. The knots are very small and the lace comes pre-cut. So now it's time to tint the lace. I'm using my Ruby Kisses palette. I'm using my shade. And I'm going to cover the closure from front to back really good. I mean, even at the tippy ends of that lace, we want everything to be nicely covered. And it should look like this when you're done. So I also go in on top of my wig cap because you can see that that line is pretty bright. So I just kind of, to dull it down, go on top of it. It doesn't have to be covered as good because it's going to be underneath the lace. But yes, just make sure you kind of knock some of that cast off the cap as well. So putting it on, I immediately noticed the M shape is so subtle, but it's so much better than that moon shape closures that a lot of the wigs come with. It drives me crazy. So I was very pleased with that. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out just a little bit of hair on the sides. It gives you a full ear to ear look, which I love. So I noticed the little finishing edge of the closure. These were actually pretty, almost none problematic, but I'm gonna cut them off anyway because we want this to be really flawless. So if you just kind of cut those off, it gives you an even more seamless look. Small touches can really elevate your install, and just look how much better that looks. So I'm going in with my E-band, which is a glueless option, but if you want to go 100% glueless, you can add your band and go glueless that way. So I'm deciding to use my E-band just to tack down the front. I'm actually not even doing a full install with the E-band. It's just to give my little lace in the front just the cutest little melt, because I do love a melt. And I will say this wig is really truly glueless, and the lace allows it to be as well because it's so fine and it's good quality. But I have to stay true to myself. I've never been 100% glueless girl. I'm a melt girl, so that's what I'm gonna do. I just can't help it. But one thing I knew putting on this wig, I really wanted it to be nice and clean. So when you're putting on your spray, if that's what you choose to do, just always make sure you're keeping those hairs back, nothing caught up at the hairline, because that messes up the entire illusion. I say this all the time, but I'm just going in with a medium heat, letting it dry. I'm not even tying it down. So now I'm just going to take whatever's left in my brush that I tinted my lace and my cap with, blend the lace to my skin. Again, we really want this to be marinated and smooth. And as you can see, I could really stop right there. It looks really good, but I'm going to use this melting spray that I bought. I actually love it because I was using spritz, and what I learned, the difference is like the stickiness of the spritz. Whereas when you put this on, it's not really getting stuck to anything, because sometimes the spritz warm up and it can get sticky. And I actually really love this. I got the small bottle because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but I'm definitely getting a bigger bottle. And girl, I have had this wig on for at least like 3 days just off of this install right here, and I didn't even fully like tie it down or anything. Like, it's really been good, and I've been sleeping in it and everything. But as you can see, I put the melting spray on. I'm hitting it with the blow dryer just to get some of the dampness to dry down. And then I will tie it down and blow dry it to get that full melted look. So if you notice, I'm kind of pushing it down and then I flip the band over and then I tie it down. The first time I do it, I kind of push the lace down again, and I'm also getting any extra dampness that might be there that the blow dryer didn't get. And then I flip it over and tie it down for real, blow dry it. And hopefully when you pull it off, it doesn't have like a bunch of those like sticky spots, if you know what I mean. I'll show you right here. I got one little tiny sticky spot and it's kind of natural, just right there. And what I do is I just take something like Bounty. You don't want a paper towel with a lot of lint. So I use Bounty and alcohol and I just dap it and it disappears. But that's what it's looking like. I'm gonna use some heat protectant, bump the front, and that's gonna really pretty much be it for the install portion. So now I'm just going to do my final touches. I'm going to make sure that my real hair is covering the wig nicely, so when the wind blows, you just see hair and it looks cohesive. So I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just comb through the curls that they already pre-styled for us. I didn't want to add any curls because it is pre-styled and I want you to see what you're really getting out of the box. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Of course, you know, you're going to pop more curl into it. But what I will say is I've owned Luvme hair before, and if it doesn't do anything else, it's going to hold a curl. And this hair is cuticle aligned, meaning that all the hair is going in one direction, and this helps with maintenance. You get less tangling and matting, so that is a huge plus. Their hair really gets salon level care and treatments before reaching you. And now I'm just putting a little of the same shade that I put inside the cap on top to make the part pop a little bit. That little line right there, it's on the inside of the cap. The way I camouflaged it later on after I got off camera was with a eyebrow pencil, because it kind of looks like it's over plucked right there, but it's not. So don't mind me talking in these clips, but I'm showing you the length. This is 20 inches. You can see it's mid, almost low back on me. And this is the hairline close up melted. And the knots are pre-bleached and it is also pre-plucked. So this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.
In the city, where we used to travel, you